So dear students, continuing the basic topics of quantum mechanics, today we will study to find the expectation value of a dynamical quantity. Expectation value is also called average value. Using quantum mechanical operators. The average value or expectation value of an function f r vector. R vector is a three-dimensional vector, so our function depends upon all the three coordinates, is given by expectation value of f function. It is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity psi star f r vector psi dq bar. So this is a three-dimensional integration over the entire volume. So in one dimension, this formula can be simplified as expectation value of the function fx minus infinity to plus infinity psi star fx psi dx. This formula is used when our wave function is normalized wave function. So now we will use this technique to find expectation value of number one position. So our first case is expectation value of position vector. Let V are to deal with a wave function psi rt. It is the wave function of a particle then expectation value of position vector r vector is given by minus infinity to plus infinity psi star rt r vector. This is our function psi rt dq bar minus infinity to plus infinity psi star rt psi rt dq bar. So for a normalized wave function, minus infinity to plus infinity psi star rt psi rt dq bar is 1. So substituting this value here, we get expectation value of position as minus infinity to plus infinity psi star rt r position vector psi rt dq bar. So this mathematical relation will be used for calculation of average value or expectation value of position. But before applying this formula, our wave function should be normalized. In one dimension, expectation value of x minus infinity to plus infinity psi star x x psi x dx. This is the formula for expectation value of position in one dimensions. Second case, expectation value of linear momentum. It will be given by expectation value of p minus infinity to plus infinity psi star xt p psi xt dx. This is for one dimensional wave function which is already normalized. And in quantum mechanics, we write momentum as in terms of operator minus iota h cut curly by curly x. So expectation value of momentum will be minus infinity to plus infinity psi star xt minus iota h cut curly by curly x psi xt dx. So expectation value of momentum will come out to be minus iota h cut minus infinity to plus infinity psi star xt curly upon curly x psi xt dx. So this is the formula that we will be using in numericals for calculation of expectation value of momentum. So third case is expectation value of energy. So for this we will be using energy operator that we calculated in the previous lectures. Expectation value of energy will be minus infinity to plus infinity psi star xt e psi xt dx for one dimensional wave function which is already normalized. And energy operator will be written as iota h cut curly by curly t. So we substitute this value here. So energy average value using quantum mechanics can be calculated using this kind of formulation: iota h cut curly upon curly t psi xt dx. Iota h cut comes common, minus infinity to plus infinity psi star xt curly by curly t psi xt dx. So this formulation will be used for calculation of expectation value of energy. So now we have three formulas: expectation value of energy, expectation value of momentum, expectation value of position, and we will be using these formulas for calculation of expectation values, and using these we will solve few numericals related to concept of expectation value. numerical related to expectation value. The one-dimensional wave function is given by the one-dimensional wave function is given by C sine 2 pi x divided by L for x lies between 0 to L and it is 0 for x is equal to 0. Find average value of position. So first of all, as our wave function is having a constant c, so it is not normalized. So our first aim will be to normalize the wave function. So we have already normalized this wave function in one of the previous lectures. So after normalization we will get c will be equal to root 2 by L. So how we can calculate the value of c? For this you have to see the previous lectures. Here we directly write the value of c. So expectation value of x for the normalized wave function will be psi star x psi x dx. So we substitute the values here. Because our wave function is defined between the limits 0 to L, so we will change the limits as 0 to L. So it is value of c sine 2 pi x by L into x root 2 by L sine 2 pi x by L dx. So it is 2 by L 0 to L x sine square 2 pi x by L dx. So now we have to integrate this to find the expectation value. So for that we use simple mathematical technique. So we will change into this 4 pi x by L divide by 2 dx, 2 cancels, so it will be 1 by L 0 to L x minus x cos 4 pi x by L dx. So we have two terms and we will integrate both the terms one by one. So it will be 1 by L 0 to L x dx 1 by L 0 to L x cos 4 pi x by L dx. So it will be 1 by L x square by 2 L0 integration of x. Now we are to integrate this first function as such, integration of second 4 pi x by L divide by 4 pi by L minus 0 to L. Here we substitute the limits 0 to L, curly bracket we put here, 1 sine 4 pi x by L divided by 4 pi by L. So this is the integration by parts. 1 by L, it is L square by 2 minus 0 square by 2 minus 1 by L, putting the upper limit. when we substitute the lower limit 0, it will be like this. Here dx is left. We forgot to write sine 4 pi x by L dx L by 4 pi. This cancels. Sine 4 pi will be 0, so this whole term will be 0. So it is 1 by L into L square by 2 minus 1 by L. This first bracket will be 0 minus L by 4 pi. Integral of sine, it will be minus cos 4 pi x by L divided by 4 pi by L. Upper limit L, lower limit 0. So this will be L by 2 minus 1 by L. It will be minus L by 4 pi. L by 4 pi in the denominator. This turns out to be this. This minus minus plus cos 4 pi x by L. Upper limit L, lower limit. So when we solve this, we will get L by 2 minus 1 by L, L square by 16 pi square. It is cos 4 pi L by L minus cos 0. This cancels. Cos pi is 1. This is also 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So it will be L by 2 minus 0 is L by 2. So expectation value of position is L by 2. So this was our first numerical. So second numerical. Find the expectation value of momentum. For a particle described by a wave function given by this psi xt, it is equal to root 2 by a sine kx e raised to power minus iota e t by h cut for minus a x plus a and 0 elsewhere, everywhere else. So solution for this wave function, as this is a normalized wave function, so we use the formula for expectation value of momentum. It is minus iota h cut minus infinity to plus infinity psi star xt curly by curly x of psi star psi xt dx. So if we substitute the value here, it will be minus iota h cut limits minus a to plus a, because everywhere else our wave function is 0. So now we will take the complex conjugate. Its complex conjugate will be root 2 by a sine kx e raised to power plus iota e t by h cut curly by curly x of root 2 by a sine kx e raised to power minus iota e t by h cut dx. So minus iota h cut root 2 by it will be 2 by a minus a plus a sin kx e raised to power plus iota e t upon h cut. Here exponential function, because it is not a function of position, comes outside. Inside the integral root 2 by a we take it common. So now we are left with curly by curly x of sin kx dx. So this cancels. So it is minus iota h cut 2 by a minus a2 plus a sin kx. Derivative of this is cos kx into k dx. So k is constant, comes outside. So it is minus iota h cut k 2 by a minus a2 plus a sin kx cos kx dx. So we multiply and divide by 2. This 2 cancels here. So what we are left with, minus iota h cut k by a minus a2 plus a sin of 2 kx dx iota h cut k divided by a. Integral of this is minus cos 2kx divided by 2k a minus a. This minus minus cancels, this k cancels. So h cut divided by 2a iota. So what we are left with, cos of 2ka minus cos of 2k minus a. Cos of minus theta is cos theta, so this will be cos 2ka. So this minus this, it will be 0. So expectation value of momentum will be 0. So these are the techniques I shared with you, that how we can calculate the expectation value of momentum and position. So keep in touch for next lectures. Thanks a lot for today.